There it is. Yeah, that's why you get cover, guys.
What give it a sip?
Step back.
What do you call now? Shots fired. Shots fired here. You're stepping on top of each other. I can't hear you. Shots fired at what location?
In the area. Dangerous weapon.
Alright, shots being fired in the area. It's the Clinton and right here.
Weapon.
Alright, shots being fired in the area. It's the Clinton and right here.
Boys, we should get behind that building.
They all for the data.
Wanna get behind that building?
Stay right there behind that fucking time.
Northbound Davis to the St. Albans, northbound Davis to the St. Albans. All the units use caution.
Where's he? Where's he at?
He's about 100 yards north, right to the right of that brown building. He's got a right step in the air.
Hey, he got eyes on somebody. Give up the description over the radio.
We got shots being fired.
Give up the description.
11-4 priority. Whitetail, blacked out jet. Coming our way. Southbound.
Back up and move to this other sky car.
East of the ground building. 100 yards north of
Yeah, come on.
You're good.
I-35.
He's got eyes on him.
I see him. He's walking with us with his rifle slung.
Yeah, straight from here.
You're good. You're fine. You're relaxed.
Cover right here.
You're fine.
Alright, let's work at your location.
He's still closing.
Radio, we're in the complex. We're not in the complex, but the subject and
You got eyes?
Yeah, I see him. He's still walking.
Get somebody closing the distance, Tommy.
Hey, Sarge, he's walking with us shooting in the air. Right on the wall.
radio. This is a serious thing. We got
Hey, you got, are you comfortable with the shot?
You take it, man.
Don't take it. He's not shooting at us. Just be ready to if you need to.
Somebody keep eyes.
Yeah, we're gonna live on priority. We got several shots been fired on this area. We're gonna need names.
He's good. Hey, he's in the courtyard now.
Yeah,
See you.
Yep. Here, give me your rifle. You're fine. Relax. You're good.
2224 call radio engine.
Yep.
His train and his access to high power and full auto rifles.
Hey, he's walking towards the gate.
Sir, you gonna put it down?
That's why you said that I location.
I need the exact location.
I'm trying to get it out there. I have a 71.
Move the right. No, move. Hold for the car.
Yeah, it's east of
At the gate.
this window. Okay.
Yep.
Location. Thanks.
Yes. He's walking back in front of our car.
Hey, there's somebody walking at the fence line. Right there for the Sarge. White bill, right by the gate.
Right now is by the gate.
Walking back towards the gate.
Loaded.
You're good, brother. Relax. We got you. You're good, brother.
That location.
God damn it. Fuck. You fucking shot me.
Radio,
Yeah, the nail down. That nail is down.
down.
Unclip it. I got him. Clip it. Unclip it.
What's your bag?
Cuff him.
I got contact. Go cover. Go contact.
Hey, Oscar shot too.
You hit?
I'm hit.
Where you hit?
My leg.
Where?
Right here.
All right, I got it.
It's just a grace. I got it.
Just give me that. I got it.
One down.